Pete the kitty and the case the hiccups.
Hiccup. Oh no, Pete has the hiccups. Hiccup. How do you stop the hiccups? Pete asked Grumpy Toad. How do I stop my hiccups? I know, says Grumpy Toad. You stand on one foot. He stands on one foot. Hiccup. He still has the hiccups. Pete asked Callie, how do I stop my hiccups? I know, says Callie. You stand on one foot and hop up and down. He stands on one foot. He hops up and down. Hiccup. He still has the hiccups. Pete asked Gus, how do I stop my hiccups? I know, says Gus. You stand on one foot and hops up and hops up and down.
And hop up and down.
And sing a song. Pete hops.
He stands
on one foot. He hops up and down.
He
sings the song.
He sings a song.
He sings a song. Hiccup. It still has the hiccups. Pete asked Bob, how do I stop my hiccups? I know, says Bob. You stand on one foot and hop up and down and sing a song and rub your belly.
And rub your belly,
says Bob. Pete doesn't. Hiccup. Nothing is working. It still has the hiccups. Go ask Mom, says Bob. Pete asked Mom, how do I stop my hiccups? I know, says Mom. You take a deep breath. You take a deep breath.
Pete takes
a deep breath.
Okay. Hold
the
breath
and blow it out, says Mom. Pete holds his breath.
Pete holds his breath
Pig blows his breath out.
That's it.
That's it.
Pig
He says.
asks.
He asks. That's it, says Mum. Pig works and works and he works and he works. The hiccups are gone. Mums are so smart.
Good job.